happen to be working on a piece right now where I need to reattach the yarn, and this is just a stitch marker that marks where that is. So I start by making a slip knot and placing that on my hook. This is actually backwards. And then when you go to insert into the stitch, make sure the yarn is behind the hook. Insert your hook into the stitch. I do a yarn under because I'm doing amigurumi, but you could yarn over instead. So you do your yarn over and pull through. Yarn over, pull through 2. And now you have a single crochet for the beginning of your round. So when you finish going all the way around your hole, you will end up back right here where you started, and you can just weave this end in